Hello, hello. Uh, it's a bit windy out, very cold, but I want to get this over with. I found a box with the shrink wrap and all the extra in case I have to rewire. This is what it came in. This I got separately. These are the extra screws for the mounts that are missing. Now I just came back and I bought this. It's supposed to fit. We'll find out. I'll have to take that off. Now, unfortunately, I didn't really take into account what was stolen. This, like I said, was popped out. They stole my two phone mounts that I used to record. Yep. I'm disappointed about that. It's not that they're not cheap, but they're always sold out. And so it's going to be nice to try and find an angle so you guys can see what's going on. So this is now holding on to the steering wheel. If I can get it. Oh, they really ripped them out. Okay, this is going to be impossible with one hand. Okay, sorry if I cut the video a lot, it's because the camera falls. That tool was doesn't really have a number. Yeah, here it is. A number 2. I think it would have been better if it was fully yanked out. I fucking hate thieves. Oh, this was a waste of money. Doesn't fit. Nice. I love getting... I don't know what is so... I don't know why people are so obsessed with buying stuff online. it's more of a problem for me trying to find a spot to sit than anything else. Yep. I have nowhere to sit, and I can't stand up. Motherfuckers. Why the fuck would you take the brackets and nothing else? Idiots. Okay, 6 minutes. I'll stop it. I'll film when it's out. And there we go, motherfuckers. It's not going anywhere. So basically, I went back inside and I got this. I have around $100 of tools, and it was a fucking fork that did the job. And this was a waste of money. It won't fit at all. Yeah, so Ford parts, thank you. So I didn't need to have that. Now the big question is, have the wirings been compromised? And of course I lose my keys. It works. There we go. See when I press on it? Doesn't go back in. Now the radio was a bit off because I had to chop the antenna. So basically, as you saw before, I was holding it here gently, not too hard. This side I popped out. With this, I pulled it out gently, and then on the top I used a fork, and it just came right out. Rechecked the wiring. Didn't have to use this. Very happy.